Hey guys, today I'm coming to you with another video about my bike check. It's updated, just showing a couple of bits that I've just recently put on, and yeah, so let's get on with it. Got Odyssey power ends, ODI grits, flangeless, comfy, best thing ever. Federal, I think either Federal Lacy Pars 8.3 rise with this like really weird little gold thing here. Another Odyssey power end, ODI, some shitty Amity brake cleaver that came with the complete, which is where the frame and the cranks are from, but oh well. Vocal cable, proper stem, my little like premium fork, top cap, which you need like a ratchet thing to do, which is stupid, but oh well. Sorry if it's a bit muddy, but oh well. Odyssey Chasehawk tyre, Shadow Conspiracy Corvus headset. Love this headset with a gay little carbon spacer and some metal spacers, but oh well, because I'm a weight weenie and I'm anal about it, but oh well. Premium FYB forks, love these babies. These are sick forks. They're fucking thin, but they've supported me, so, and I'm pretty large, so I'm pretty sure they won't break, but oh well. BSD Street blue hubs, Vocal stainless steel spikes so they don't rust when they move and get scratched and shit. G-Sport roll cage with the new white stickers, they look sick and you should buy these, but hey. Shitty Amity frame, going for my custom S&M when I get enough money. Fit Barstool seat, muddy as fuck, but oh well, needs a good clean. Volume seat post, 110mm I think. All the Amity brake shit, Amity brake, which is a piece of shit. Don't buy Amity stuff, they are willy. Amity cranks, BSD super light bottom bracket, Colt pedals. Eclat Sylar sprocket 27 tooth, which is a 6 sprocket and I love it. It's 6.3mm thick, built nice and thick. Yeah, YBN chain in Teflon black. And then the back, I've got the FitFaf 2.25. Nice and knobby, good grip, everything. Yeah, BSD blue hub. BSD Street hub, these are sick hubs, you need to buy them. They're female as well, but when I get my pegs, Vocal spokes again, G-Sport rim again, which needs a clean, it's fucking dirty. Yeah, and that's my bike. If you want to, I'm going to give my back hub a bit of a rads, so. Makes a nice noise, rolls fast, got polymer bushings instead of bearings so they don't break. Yeah, pretty good. So this is BMX Edits and Reviews, or George, and this is my bike check. And when you buy, like, the best thing to do is build a custom wheel. Don't buy stock wheels, they are shite, unless they are the G-Sport wheels, because they are amazing, but they are really expensive, and you can get just as good a wheel with your own custom hubs, your own custom spikes and everything, so yeah. Keep watching my videos and subscribe.